Right, so it looks like we're putting in a bottom on that 200 EMA, taking a trade for the pop back up. Yeah, just didn't quite get there. So looking here now, just for a continuation down, looking like we're breaking those EMAs. Get down there to make an equal low perhaps. Went nicely. Today was not a great day, if I'm being honest, but we were sort of disciplined. We took some very good trades. We ended up down massively. Market was exceptionally choppy, which wasn't great today. But we didn't record everything either. But we did make a bit of a recovery towards the end of the day. Just one of them. Market's starting to chop inside of a range, but we're not recognising it, that it's struggling to break out, because it's sort of going, gives you a bit of confidence in the trade, and then it just yokes back up on itself. So yeah, we were hoping to break that range, start pushing through the opening range low, but it just weren't meant to be. It kept trying, and then it just started to come back on us, so we hopped out. Just is what it is. Yeah, so again, still looking for that breakdown. It is going. I mean, it didn't go fully to our take profit, but it is going. It's trying to get there. It's trying to push down. Yeah, the 15-minute range has just been set, and still trying to get it going. So pushing back up there, just not really sure of what it's doing. Realistically, we shouldn't have kept putting trades on. I mean, this one did work out again, so it's like, it is what it is. But yeah, we sort of recognised it weren't going any further, and got out in profit. But yeah, one of those. Yeah, so as you can see, a big old chop fest, but we've got that trend line drawn out, 2-minute chart. We're breaking through that, pushing nicely. There's no reason why you can't take that long there, I don't think. And it just hammered straight back down on us, just refusing to get out of the range, really, refusing to break out. It's the usual Nasdaq nonsense. Yeah, so the good thing about today is we recovered a lot of our drawdown that we put ourselves into later on in the session, but we also locked ourselves out a few times, so we absorbed the loss, which we not recently we've been struggling to do. We've been struggling to end on a red day. We've just ended up blowing accounts, trying to get things back. So in that respect, it was a positive. We were a bit more disciplined than we normally are when we're having a red day in recent weeks. I think this was my attempt to aggressively play the range. I don't know. Needless to say, it fucked me up the arse. I don't know what I was doing there. I don't know what I was trying there. Pointless. It's good looking back at these, because you sort of see, like, what are you entering there for? What are you seeing there that makes you think that it's chopping and it's not broken out yet, so why would you get into that there? I don't get it. This was a break-even trade, so it was just an absolute waste of time. Like, you just get in, sit through drawdown, and then get out of break-even. It was literally pointless. Yeah, just pointless. I don't. Right. Strong move up, a little bit of a pullback. Looks like it's going to continue. We jump in, stop at the bottom, and we get immediately stopped out. Yeah. The candle, yeah, like you got to wait for the candle to clear. I don't know. Just can't get it right. Yeah, so finally we have a bit of a better one, bit more of an actual breakout this time. Moved our stop up to trail it with it. We took I think this was the first of a couple of trades that we did very similar, but the market actually started moving. That was the difference. The market did actually start moving. We were able to capitalise on a couple of nice moves up, sort of taking profit as we went along, you know, taking a couple off here and there. So that was a lot better. Yeah, it's just a shame, you know, it's like, I think we made back like $1,000 worth of drawdown that we'd put ourselves into, so it's like, why can't I just do that in the beginning? You know what I mean? Fuck off.